YouTube. Back at it again with another one, family. Now, if you saw the intro, you know what we're doing is cleaning and cutting up chicken, right? So here we have some quarter legs. And to begin off this process, you just peel the skin off, right? When you're taking it off the actual, let's just call it an ankle, right? Off the chicken ankle. You want to pull the skin off as though it were a sock, right? You want to pull it off all the way clean and then pull off the rest of the skin. Everything under the skin that you see with that particular color, that whitish color or yellow whitish, whatever you want to call it, that's actually chicken fat. So depending on how much chicken fat you like on your chicken when you're cooking it, you can leave what you want on and take what you want off. But I'm trying to show you guys today how to take everything off, right? Or as much as possible. Now, a lot of times when people clean chicken, they actually forget this part of the chicken to clean. Like, you get your knife in there and just pull out all of that membrane. I'm not sure what that stuff is. I just know that I don't eat it, right? And when you're done with that, you just do the same thing to the rest of them. Now here we have our quarter leg that we've cleaned the skin and fat off, the most of it. Now there are other little things on here that we just want to trim off. Some people keep it. I generally don't. 9 times out of 10 I take it off, depending on how I'm preparing my chicken, right? So now when you look at this chicken, you see that there's a joint, right, between the leg and the thigh, and then you just take your knife, you find where the joint is, apply a little bit of pressure and cut straight through that joint. Right, now you have it. You just take your knife, separate the flesh. That's pretty much that as far as cutting chicken, as far as detaching them from the joint. Now we have some more nonsense here that we're gonna get off, some sinew and other little bits of fat, so, Now this particular part of the chicken is kind of tricky. You want to be very careful doing this. You want to take your knife, get it under there, then run your finger above it, and then continue to cut straight through it, right? Just to get that bit off. So once our chicken has been cleaned thoroughly, take some vinegar, just give it a little bath. You got to take it, wash it very thoroughly. Salmonella is real, people. And sit it in some water. You can use vinegar, lemon juice, lime. I use all of those things, but just to show you guys, I'm just using vinegar today. And when you're done with that, you rinse your chicken off and you're ready to cook, man. Like, this is the end of it. It's the end result, the end product of us cleaning this chicken. We just taking it from one vessel, putting it into another. And then there you have it, folks. You can put this back in the fridge if you want, in the freezer actually. You don't want it to go bad, but there we have it. Thanks for coming through. Thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all. Till next time. Bless.